SmokeSignal is a Foundry project, the second live product in the Foundry asset pool to be exact. SmokeSignal is a guaranteed free speech platform that allows anyone to reliably voice their opinion through the novel mechanism of burning money. SmokeSignal goes far further than traditional free speech platforms in that it cannot be censored by anyone, not even its creators. This means pseudonymous users can post to topics and reply in a nested fashion, and each post is impossible to delete as the posts now live on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see and read all existing posts when opening smokesignal.eth.link. But to post to SmokeSignal, you need a Web3 browser extension like MetaMask or a Web3 browser trust wallet, some Ether for transaction fees, and some DAI. Users burn DAI to post messages under any given topic. These topics are listed here, along with the total DAI burned in that topic. Users can also tip posts. You can buy Ether on your local cryptocurrency exchange. To get DAI, you can head over to changely.com, I will post the link, or you can conveniently swap on MetaMask. So, to get started on SmokeSignal, you will first need to connect your Web3 wallet by clicking here. Just scroll down, connect wallet. Your Ethereum address maps to a unique face, which will be shown next to any SmokeSignal post you write. A face is a graphic representation of your Ethereum account. Starting a new topic is easy. Type it into the search input and click Start New Topic. You can then compose the first post for your brand new topic. When posting, you will have to burn an amount of DAI. The amount is entirely up to you. As a community grows, it should work out that the more one burns for a new message, the more visibility and engagement the message will receive. In addition to posting your own messages, the contract supports burning or tipping DAI for messages from others you like. Burning will increase the message's visibility, and tipping simply sends the DAI straight to the author of the message. Okay, so let's create a post. It can be anything, like airing my views on a political figure, calling for a protest in my city, or a beautiful ode to my late grandmother. I found a really useful tool for controlling smart contracts, so I'm going to put this here. Unlock DAI. Confirm. Now I have to decide on an amount of DAI to burn for this post. This is not a super important post, so I think I am going to burn half a DAI on this. Click Go. Confirm on MetaMask. Cool, here it is. It is important to note that a post can neither be edited or deleted once it is posted, ever. If you would like to share the link of this post to anyone, you can right-click here and copy link address. Cool. Okay, so let's look at some other posts on SmokeSignal. Here's a cool post on the sovereign individual. The author burnt 20 DAI when posting, attaching value to his topic. I actually read it and it's quite insightful and interesting. When we scroll down, at the bottom, we've got a green $sign, which is how I can tip the author, or I can burn DAI to increase this post for the visibility. Let's click on tip. Now I can choose. I'm going to tip this person 1 DAI. Tip. Confirm. Cool. This post has been tipped. Let's go back to the topics. This looks interesting. This person posted a video of looting in the USA. This video was deleted from online platforms, but it will be accessible here forever. So let's burn some DAI in support of this post. I'm going to burn 1 DAI. Click on burn. And confirm on MetaMask. Done. Someone started a Corona topic. This person posted something they did not want to be censored and ignored by the media. Instead of tipping the author or burning DAI in support of the post, I'm just going to leave a comment. So click on the little arrow. Thanks for posting. I am going to burn half a DAI on this. Go. Confirm. Cool, there it is. you are now ready to post and reply on SmokeSignal.